Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that LayerZero token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, LayerZero ZRO is the native governance token of the LayerZero protocol, a foundational infrastructure that enables secure communication and asset transfer between different blockchains. Omnichain infrastructure. It is a protocol, not just a bridge, that allows blockchains to send messages and value using immutable smart contracts and cold endpoints. Governance and value accrual. ZRO holders control the protocol economic future through votes on activating free mechanism, which could lead to tokens burn. Expanding ecosystem. The project is evolving beyond interoperability with plans for its own high-performance blockchain ZRO, targeting institutional use. LayerZero project institution rating is 4.5. LayerZero token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 369.5 million ZRO token. ZRO token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, OKX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 95% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.